Time for medical rounds. We're talking about epilepsy today. It's a disorder that affects the central nervous system. Many people may not even know they have it. The Epilepsy Center at the Air Neuroscience Institute at Hartford Healthcare was recently recognized by the National Association of Epilepsy Centers. Dr. Gabriel Martz is the medical director there. He now joins us to tell us more about it. Dr. Martz, welcome. We're glad you're here.
Hi, thanks. It's great to be here.
So,
go ahead.
I was going to ask, how is it possible that someone may not be aware that they have epilepsy?
Well, the most common kind of seizure is a blank staring seizure, and actually affects usually the memory centers of the brain are sort of involved in the seizure. So you're not making a memory during that time, so you wouldn't even know that you had a seizure afterwards, unless something obvious like you had a big enough seizure to fall down or get hurt in some way, which we hope you didn't. But many seizures are mild enough that you simply don't even know
is and what are the major symptoms?
Yeah, so seizures is the defining symptom. A seizure is something that happens in a given moment, and an epileptic seizure is a short circuit of the normal electrical patterns of the brain. And it causes people to do any number of things, but most commonly stare or lose awareness of what's going on around them. Think of a bigger seizure that spreads to more of the brain, and it might cause them to fall down and shake like you think of in a movie. So those are the most common types of seizures we see. Pardon me. And then epilepsy is defined as having seizures over time. That your brain can make seizures, and in addition to seizures, because your brain is affected, we often see other types of challenges like emotional disturbances, learning difficulty, and so it's a disorder not only of seizures but of the brain.
Tell us about the new accreditation. This seems like a big deal. Does this set the center apart, and what kind of treatments are available?
Yeah, it's a wonderful thing. We've worked very hard to build an outstanding epilepsy center here at Hartford Healthcare, and the recognition just puts a stamp on that to say that we really have achieved it. What that means is that when you come to a clinic, we have 7 clinic locations currently throughout the state of Connecticut. We anticipate a couple more added this year, bringing the care to the people. The idea is that you can access from that clinic location comprehensive care. We can help you with emotional challenges, learning challenges, medication optimization. We try to bring the most to your life, whatever that is for you, in addition to, in parallel, stopping your seizures. And now, because of the work that we've done, we can use medications, but if those are failing, which in about 2/3 of people, medications will fail to stop seizures, we have an enormously complex set of tools to help diagnose your epilepsy and even do brain surgery to cure you of epilepsy in some cases. And so we put a lot of time and energy into building that, and the level 4 status recognizes what we've achieved.
Dr. Gabriel Martz, we thank you so much for joining us today. For more information about epilepsy and the Epilepsy Center, visit hartfordhealthcare.org/epilepsy.